Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy io.net io coin. So it's quite easy to get this token. Click on your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com and you'd find io.net token's price. Once you found the price, simply scroll through and you'd find it's a Solana token. So copy its Solana contract address. Once it's copied, scroll a bit more till you get to the market section and you'd find where it's being traded. We have Binance, Bybit, and decentralized exchanges such as the Jupiter platform. So all you need to do now is minimize and open up a centralized exchange. Centralized exchange I'm opening in today's video is Bybit. So click on Bybit and open it up. Once you've opened up Bybit, make sure you have an account on Bybit. If you do not have an account on Bybit, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 5,030 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, you've got a verified account on your Bybit. What do you do next? All you need to do is head to the assets menu at the bottom right, click on the deposit option and deposit any cryptocurrency you hold outside of Bybit. Now, if you do not have cryptocurrencies on your Bybit, you could make use of the P2P platform, which is basically selling your fiat currencies for cryptocurrencies. So if you have 100 US dollars, you could convert that 100 US dollars into 100 USDT. To do that, click on the P2P trading option. Make sure your account is verified and you've entered your details, and you could simply buy crypto in your local currency. So guys, that's an option of getting crypto. Another is to use your Visa card, MasterCard to get yourself some cryptocurrencies. They will be charged from your bank. So if you have $100, you're going to be charged $100 worth of USDT from your bank, and then the 100 USDT would then be deposited in your account. So guys, with the USDT in your account, head to the market section at the bottom left. Simply click on the search icon and search for IO. Once you search for io.net, you'd find the token here. Under limit, click on limit and select market trade. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy the coin for and simply click on buy. So once you've purchased this token, head to the assets menu and you'd find it at the bottom of you'd find it in your unified trading section. So click on unified trading section and you'll find it here. So guys, that's how you can get it on a centralized exchange. If you're looking to get it on a decentralized, minimize and open up your Phantom wallet. So click on Phantom. Make sure you have some Solana. If you do not have Solana on your Phantom wallet, the receive icon, click on receive and copy your Solana address and simply receive your tokens. So once you've copied your address, you can receive your Solana tokens from a centralized exchange or from other wallets. All right, so in order to get yourself some of the io.net tokens, all you need to do is head to the browser section at the bottom right. Once there, simply scroll through and find Jupiter DeFi. So click on the Jupiter DeFi, and once jupiter.ag opens up on your Phantom wallet, simply connect your wallet using the wallet connect at the top right. So make sure your wallet is connected, and once you've connected your wallet, in place of where you're paying, swap their places so it says you're paying Solana and then you're to receive USDC. So in place of USDC, paste the contract address we had copied earlier from CoinMarketCap for the IO token. So click on the IO coin, enter the amount of Solana you wish to spend on buying it, and then simply click on swap and the transaction would be done. And then if you head back to your wallet at the bottom left, perform a reload, you'd find the IO coin here on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.